Hi, how can I help you today?
Well, you see, lady, I'm here to look for a computer, but when I saw your beauty, my mind just changed, and I'm like, I need to take you home.
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time, nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah, to be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah, come over here, so I know you love my accent.
You hold my hand. Hold mommy's hand. It's alright.
Are you guys ready for Christmas?
I haven't even started yet.
I know, it's knowing what to bloody buy,
I
isn't
know, it's just, I think it's just Christmas vouchers this year, to be honest. Like,
I just think that
vouchers.
there's not even that much really to buy.
Yeah.
Since COVID, nothing's, there's only candles and shit like that.
Exactly. Yeah. Oh, wow.
I reckon I always like a massage. I reckon you can't go wrong with a nice massage.
Yeah.
Something that you don't normally go. I mean, you can't give a little kid that, I get that, but
Definitely. Wow.
it's going to cost a fortune for everyone to put food on this year, though.
Yeah, look, I think the big kids have enough for presents for the big kids. It's more for the little ones these days. And the adults, not really, maybe a bottle of wine or a box of chockies.
Yeah.
That's it.
I think sometimes it's nice if they can give you a photo too, you know what I mean? Like,
Yeah. Well,
he's a good boy.
good boy, Ireland.
This is going to make it so much easier.
Yeah. Wow, ready for summer, hey?
Ready for Santa.
And Santa. Definitely.
Is this his first haircut?
It would be his second official, yeah. And this time he's taken out off more than I wanted anyway.
Yeah.
Because
Well,
you're on
it's going to
camera.
be nice and cool anyway.
Yeah, you're on camera. Look how cute it looks. He looks like a little. Oh, I just love
He's
it.
going to look grown up now.
Yes. Wow.
This is picking his hair up now.
Oh, good.
Because it's got rid of all that
Baby hair. I thought so.
So
yeah.
it'll do it a lot of good. And next time, if you don't want to go short, that's fine. It's just, see how it's got all that dryness and all the matted look out of it now?
Yeah. Island. Look at this. Island. Look at that smile.
Did you want me out of the phone?
That's okay.
Sorry.
That's all right. No, that's okay. That's fine. Hey. Well, she's done a great job, hasn't she, Island? Excellent.
We're pretty quick here.
Yeah. He's just laughing. The first time I took him, he was crying and bawling, and the lady couldn't get him to sit still, and that was at Just Cuts in Lismore.
I don't you go over the kids.
Yeah.
Because you're not their mum, and they don't like it.
Yeah.
And if you've been cutting hair for a long time,
Wow.
you understand it's not your child.
Yeah.
And they don't like you touching them.
Yeah. Wow. Look at that smile. Handsome. Mr. Handsome. Wow. All that baby hair's gone now. Hey? Absolutely adorable now. Hey? Ready for some photos with Santa? Yeah. Gonna get some photos with Santa Claus.
I like that spa. It's cute.
Ooh, Dad's gonna be happy with that haircut.
He might be.
Daddy's gonna love it. Hey? I love it. Welcome back, Island family. It's your girl Maria.
Yeah, and provider.
I know it's hard to get, isn't it? So welcome guys, welcome back to the channel, and here is the star. Say hi, Island.
Hi.
Yeah, did you tell them about your haircut?
Oh.
So yeah guys, he got his haircut the other day and it's nice and short. You know, it's been quite warm here, so I decided, you know, let's just get it over and done with. I know a lot of people will be against it, but you know, it's just going to make his hair more nourished, more mature, and whether it will go curly or whether it would stay straight, either. So guys, today we are going just for a little ride. It's Sunday here, our first week of December, guys. You know, Christmas is just around the corner, and to be honest with you, we've been so busy working that we just don't even know what we're going to do for Christmas. We haven't even planned anything out yet. I don't know about family, if my mum's coming up. I don't know if you know, we don't know what we're going to do. Hey babe?
True.
So yeah, stay tuned for that. We're not sure. I know that I have family, my father's got family in Sydney on his side, but he's going to be there with his brother. So yeah, you know, I don't know what we're gonna do. But we'll figure it out. Maybe go camping or something.
Yeah, see how it turns out.
See how it turns out, yeah, because my job is 365 days a year. You know, there's no break, and yeah, that's how it is on our job. But babe, I think you may get some break.
Yeah, possibly.
Yeah. So yeah, definitely babe will get some break, but yeah, I won't. So yeah.
Look at what I'm wearing.
Oh yeah guys, another thing.
We're watching Argentina and
Australia.
yeah.
We're watching Argentina and Australia this year, and this morning, sorry. I was with my brothers last night and his partner, and yeah, we had some Jamaican rum and some vodka. I didn't drink vodka, I just stuck to my rum. As you all know, I love Jamaican rum. That's the only rum that I'll ever drink. Other than that, yeah, anything else just gives me a headache. Other than that, yeah, Argentina for the cup, guys. Yeah, vamos Argentina.
Beat Australia down under them ratted.
Yeah, I know, it was a good match though. Australia definitely, you know, is coming up in the world. It's coming up in the football world, I should say. Okay.
They're out now, right?
Yeah, they're out. They're gone home now. They're coming back to Australia. Yeah. But yeah, Argentina's still in it. Let us know, guys, what flag. Drop your flags down below. Let us know who you rep. You know, as you know, I'm Argentinian, so of course I'm gonna rep my country, like my birthplace where I was born. It was a bit of a hard match because either, you know, Australia's good, but I know that, you know, they're coming up, and we just never know. Maybe one day they'll take the cup. Anyhows, Island's got something to say. So Island, what you got to say?
Uncle Kiss.
Eh?
Oh.
Oh. Okay. And what else? School?
Yeah.
Yeah, tomorrow. Tomorrow you go to school?
Yeah.
Good boy. You play with your friends? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so he's just talking to us about his day tomorrow. He's already thinking about tomorrow. So right now we're going to go just to the shops.
Grab some fish.
Grab some fish because we had meat last night on the barbecue, so we're not going to have meat today. Yeah, asado for all my Argentinians. And we had jerk chicken too, guys, on the barbecue, which is really spicy, by the way, but it was so good. Yeah, so that's what we're going to do, so join us.
Yeah, man.
You know.
Let's go now.
Let's go. So guys, we're in Lismore and we just came to check the fish shop here. Lismore's opening up its gates again. Basically everything's sort of opening up, and and everything, guys. Oh no, they're still renovating. Wow. Some places are still kind of like not opened, or they're not opening anymore. The music shop's closing down. It's crazy. Oh my gosh, I'm about to sneeze. As you guys can hear my voice. Bless me. Yeah, I'm a little bit sick. Babe was a bit sick the last few days too, just a flu going around.
And my voice still haven't come back yet, and I'm a bit worried because the show, so we're going straight, right?
Left at the roundabout.
Yeah. And I have the show coming up this coming week.
Look at this
I'm
guy.
still not
Santa.
my voice still haven't come back yet, so I'm a bit worried. Yeah, I want my voice to be perfect. You know, because yeah, I feel like the one here gonna be the next big show, you know. Everything have to be.
Yeah, guys. So I'm actually debating of whether I'm gonna go to work today or not, because yeah, it's closed.
Oh, shit,
I'm gonna have to. Not early. It's like midday almost.
Right.
Go left.
Here.
Yeah, no, yeah, just go there. Yeah. It's fine. Yeah, guys, so like I just have a bit of a cold flu, you know, wake up. Tested Babe for COVID, but he didn't have COVID, so I'm assuming I don't have COVID. When I get home, I'll do a test anyway, just to be sure. Just been waking up with a real sore throat, dry throat, and blocked nose. Yeah. So, I don't know. Hey, Mr. Island. Loco. Turn left. We're still going. We're going to go to the other fish shop, guys, in Ballina. Because this one wasn't opened. Swifties was not open. Yellow brim. I don't know what that is.
Yeah, I've never seen it.
Huh?
I've never seen it.
Pearl perch, maybe. Flathead.
Which one there can?
You always get them. You always get them, don't you?
No, you don't have brim.
Yeah.
Okay. You got this one then.
Which one? Pearl perch? Okay.
Which one you want?
Pearl. Ready? Hang on.
Ice cream.
Ice cream in rainy weather. Oh my god. What do you say? Nice?
Nice, Bobo? Okay, good. Cut all the prawn, guys. And there you have the mud crab. So we grab 2 of the mud crab as well. And you have the spanner crab, which look like a spider. Those ones right there.
So guys, we're just at the electronics store. The reason why we're here is because, babe.
Yeah, so I'm trying to find a computer for my brother. He did have a computer before, but it got wrecked. So yeah, my brother, the one that makes the beats. So trying to find a computer for him so we can get back on track again with the music, you know, make some more beats.
So what we're asking of people is if we are to buy him a laptop from here and ship it to someone that we can trust. Other than that, we're just going to buy it online and ship it straight through to Jamaica. So tell us in the comments what you guys think.
Because I've never actually shipped anything to Jamaica before.
Our post office is...
We don't know what the clearance fee is, like when it reached to Jamaica, so yeah, let us know. I know there's the option you can buy it online and ship it, but Yeah.
Yeah, so we just want to get something good for him, and we don't want to get something that's, you know, not trustworthy, if you guys know what I mean. Even if anybody's going to Jamaica anytime soon, easy to ship it to anybody and then just send it through. I don't know. Can't trust everybody, but you know. Yeah, leave it. Island. Look at him. Huh? What was that?
A mess.
Yeah? That was a mess.
Yeah.
Yeah. Eat it and quickly. Hurry.
Okay.
You're right. You're okay. Eat it and quickly.
Look at him, guys. Hey. Don't get trapped in that now, mister. Hi, Baba. What are you doing? What happened? The price of these television. So for $3,000. This are for $4,000. Look at that. $4,000 for the one day.
You like this TV?
These televisions are big, man.
Wow.
This one is pretty much $3,000.
Isn't it lovely?
A TV I can buy all a bike.
Nice, Island. Hey? It's beautiful. I love the picture on it.
Yeah. Got this one for almost $4,000.
Oh yeah, this one seems bigger.
Yeah.
Oh, that's an 85 and that's an 8. Oh, they're the same, babe. They're the same size, 85.
Yeah, I guess it's the features that makes it different.
Probably.
He says take me home today. That means we can just take it, right? We can just walk out with it, right?
Yeah.
Alright, take me home.
Take it.
Let's just go with it.
Go with it, guys. Nice fridge. Wow, the freezer.
4-door.
Yeah, it's really nice. Island, that's not for play. Come on, boy. Out.
Hey.
Close the doors. Let's close the doors. Out we get. One for Sally.
3,900 call it. What's that? Take your time, babe.
I think that's where you put your stuff.
Oh,
Maybe.
how much for that one? Oh wow. 8, 10, almost $5,000.
I don't know what it's for. Not like a TV.
Fridge is, this one is for $5,000. I've never seen them kind of fridge before.
Yeah, but I've never seen it either. But it's got a screen, guys. Probably plays TV or something. So weird. This one's 2,000. It's a 4-door. AC, air conditioning. We need a new one for our room.
Somewhere, I don't see that. Well, these ones, these designs, never seen them. Well, I never seen them anyway.
Out of it, yeah, for real. Hi guys. Hi, how can I help you today?
Well, you see, lady, I'm here to look for a computer, but when I saw your beauty, my mind just changed, and I'm like, I need to take you home.
Hello.
What the hell?
Wash your dishes, baby. Where? No, that's not for you.
Let's go, Baba. Hey. cut that out. Oh, I've never seen them kind of thing. Them bad. So you just pull it down to the sink.
Yeah.
Okay.
I can wet you.
It's mad.
Oh, yes, love you.
Bye.
Say hi. Love you, everyone.
Bye.
What? My mommy, go away.
My daddy, go away.
He said the wrong way.
So babe, scaling the fish. Island, get away, Bobo. Come on. Hey, out.
Hi, Bobo.
Oh, that looks like a fresh fish, no?
Yeah, they're fresh. This is what, pearl perch?
Pearl perch. Yeah. Oh.
Big eyes. I wish I did catch it.
For real.
3 nice ones.
And there are all our chickens growing nicely. Gonna have to buy some hay. Wow, look at that.
3 nice fish.
Nice. Island, get out, man. That's a wrap.